Hello friends, today it is 13th of September 2021 and time is 11 minutes यानी रात के 12 बज के लगभग 11 मिनट हो रहे हैं। 13 सितंबर 2021 मंडे। तो देखते हैं, ये टाटा स्टील का चार्ट है आपके सामने। तो कल टाटा स्टील में किस तरीके की मूवमेंट हो सकती है, इसके बारे में हम अभी डिस्कस करेंगे। There is a disclaimer, all these views that I am going to share through this video, these are only from the study point of view. If you want to make any trade based on the views that I am trying to share, then you should do your own research or you should consult your financial advisor before trading on the views. Yeah, now let's go ahead. This is the Tata Steel chart and you can observe it has tried to close below 1447. This is that level, 1447. Now as far as important zones are concerned, these are the important zones. This one, 1455 to 1452, or say 1456 to 1452. Okay, next is 43, 1443 to 1439. Okay, yeah, and next is 1429 to 1427. Yes, so these are the three important zones as far as tomorrow's trade setup is concerned. Just try to observe these blue colored lines because there are lots of lines that have been drawn based on the various time frames. So as far as tomorrow's trade is concerned, we will try to concentrate only on these blue colored lines. The numbers are also written for your convenience. Now, how to trade based on these levels? Okay, that we will try to discuss. Before that, my personal opinion regarding Tata Steel is you can get a better trade when it tries to sustain below 1439. Below 1439, you may try to short sell Tata Steel and your expected target can be 1429 to 1427. Yes, where will be your stop loss? Stop loss will be for just above 1443. So 1445. 1445, this can be considered as a stop loss, and when below 1439 you can short sell Tata Steel for a target of 1429. Now in Tata Steel, batch size is 850. Yes, you are expected to catch approximately 11 points. 11 points. So this comes out to be 9,000 plus. Yes, so this trade you may be able to get in tomorrow's session. Another way of trading Tata Steel can be, if say there is any gap down in the Tata Steel and it tries to come, or say it tries to open closer to this level, okay, or during entire time of the day, at any point of time, if Tata Steel tries to take support in this zone and tries to move upward, then just below 1427 you can consider a stop loss, and those who can afford a bigger stop loss, their stop loss can be below 1424. Okay, and expected target can be 1439 to 1443. So this can be one trade setup. So either in the fall or in the upside, you have the opportunity to earn approximately 9,000 rupees intraday in Tata Steel. Now there may be another possibility. If Tata Steel opens gap up, if Tata Steel opens gap up and tries to trade somewhere here, that is below 1452, then you may expect a fall, and accordingly you can short sell Tata Steel. Stop loss will be just above 1456. So 1458, this can be stop loss. This can be stop loss. 1458. This can be stop loss. Yes. And expected target can be 1443. Here we will try to book the profit. Yes. Then we will wait for either price to break upside or on downside. If it breaks downside, then you can get another 11 points fall in the Tata Steel. So this can be the trade setup for Tata Steel. Now my personal opinion in Tata Steel can be see, as long as it is below 1452, you can use sell on rise. You can use sell on rise in Tata Steel. As long as it is for 1450, below 1452, there may be a sale in Tata Steel. Price is expected to fall. Stop loss will be above 1456, that is 1458. This can be a stop loss, and eventually you may expect price to fall. Okay, this is from the intraday perspective. Now as far as hourly time frame, that is little bigger picture if you try to consider. And now here let me erase all other prices also. Yes, in bigger time frame, if you try to observe this Tata Steel, see, it is trying to trade in this zone. Here there was a breakdown. Yes, breakdown, and this may be called as the bear trap, and accordingly you observe this a big candle. Okay, that is bear trap. And then here rise, fall, rise, fall. Yes, again rise. So these levels are very important. So you can get excellent trade when it tries to sustain above 1456. 1456. Yes, just a minute please. Yeah. When Tata Steel tries to sustain above 1456, or say more preferably for above 1461, then you may get excellent trade on the buy side. Okay, on the buy side. But if it tries to sustain below 1424, then you can get excellent trade on the sell side. So those who want to catch big moves, they should just wait for the price to either break on the upside or on the downside. If it tries to sustain above 1456, or say more precisely 1462, 61, 62, then you can get excellent trade. Approximate movement in Tata Steel can be 25 to 50 points. A quick move in Tata Steel of 25 to 50 points can be observed, that is from 1456 it is expected to trade above 1500, approaching 1507. Yes, and similarly, if Tata Steel tries to provide a breakout on the downside by trading below this level, 1424, okay, then you may observe 25 to 50 points fall. 25 to 50 points fall. So approaching this particular zone. which is this zone 1390 to 1375. So those who want to get these 25 to 50 points, 25 to 50 points, they should just keep patience. Don't trade within this zone, that is from 1461 to 1424. Don't do any trade. Just try to make a trade when above 1461 or 1456 on the buy side, or bearish trade when Tata Steel tries to trade below 1424. Okay, yes. So if you try to consider these 50 points in Tata Steel, 50 points in Tata Steel means how much? It is 50 multiplied by 850, because 850 this is the passage. So approximately 42,000 in Tata Steel is waiting for you. Just keep patience, wait for the breakout. So approximately 40,000 INR may be earned in Tata Steel. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, please click on the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification as and when I upload any new video. Thank you very much.